Okay, this is number 27B on the midterm exam review, and it says to find the exact value of each expression, and this expression is the cotangent of 10 pi over 3. So first off, you can divide this up into two values for cotangent. You can do the cotangent of 6 pi over 3, which is really just 2 pi, plus the cotangent of 4 pi over 3. And since 6 pi over 3 is really just 2 pi, you'll end up going around the circle, starting from there all the way once. So now you're just at the starting point. So now anything you add will just be the same as the greater value than the 2 pi. So this would really translate into the cotangent of 4 pi over 3. You can ignore that. Should be a parentheses. Now you should know that cotangent is actually cosine over sine of 4 pi over 3. So now you would count out 4 pi's over 3 on your unit circle. If you don't have them memorized, you have 1 pi over 3, 2 pi's over 3, 3 pi's over 3, which is pi, and then 4 pi's over 3, which is down here in the third quadrant. So now you're going to draw your triangle to help you. It should be in the third quadrant. And now you determine that the x value right here should be negative 1/2, and then the y value will be negative radical 3 over 2. So now you do the cosine of this triangle, and the cosine would be equal to negative 1/2. And now you do the sine of it, so you do negative 1/2 divided by negative radical 3 over 2. And since dividing by a fraction is the same thing as multiplying by its reciprocal, you can do negative 1/2 times negative 2 over radical 3. And these 2's would cancel out. So now your final answer would be 1 over radical 3. And since you're supposed to simplify, you would get, or rationalize, my bad, you would get radical 3 over 3. And that's your final answer.